What's up, guys? What's up, guys? How's it going? Today I think I'm gonna be trying some top-down photography. I've got this camera here, an old Canon camera that belongs to my dad. I've never tried this before, but I've been watching a lot of Peter McKinnon lately, so I thought, you know what, let's give it a go. So yeah, I'm just gonna go look around the house, try and find something that this goes well with. I'm thinking like some wooden backdrop, which will be on the bottom, and then maybe just some other things that are sort of rustic or sort of match this kind of vibe. And yeah, we'll just see what we can go find. I feel like this wooden backdrop could work quite well. Just gotta plop that there for now. Sort of like that. Cool. This could work, I think. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. Nice little compass. Nice. That's looking quite decent, actually. So what I've got so far is I've got a cutting board, some piece of metal from a drill set, a compass, and the wallet that I use pretty much every day, then the camera in the middle. I also think I should get that light that I was using earlier, just to add a little bit of color on the side, kind of like a sun is hitting it. I feel like that looks pretty cool. All of this here. I also just found this knife that I feel like looks really cool and fits really well with like the color scheme of the camera. And yeah, it'll go well with the overall shot. Scatter a couple coins around the cutting board too. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was super fun to do and a highly recommended in quarantine challenge. Just go around the house, see what you can find, try and make a photo out of it. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.